Get a run start.
Oh my god. Oh my god. That's what John Mayer started, man.
Wait.
Why would you do that? I didn't know I was gonna do that. We gotta swing around anyway. Here, let me jump from the back.
Wait, let me put that back down there.
Why don't you get this net and push on the ground towards it? Get closer.
What do you mean?
Push the net on the ground there. Too deep!
Alright, get up here! Get up here! Get up here! Go! Get... Go!
Okay.
That was awesome!